How much can you borrow with an FHA loan? Watch this video and give me a call.
Hey, this is Chris Trapani, the Mortgage Pro. You know, people ask me all the time with an FHA loan, Chris, how much loan can I qualify for? How much can I borrow? Well, it depends on a number of factors, and I'm going to go over a whole bunch of them right now. Okay, we're going to start with debt to income ratio. Here's how it works. There's two debt to income ratios that we have to worry about with an FHA loan. The first one is the payment. We call it the front end. It's the first one. So the payment can be no more than 47% of your total income. So for even number purposes and just to make it a little easier to calculate, let's say you make $10,000 a month. That means that 47% up to $4,700 can be a house payment. Now we have a back-end ratio. That's also the total house payment. And when I say total house payment, what I'm referring to here is principal, interest, taxes, insurance, and if you're in a condominium or an association, you pay an association fee, that has to be included too. 47%, now we're going to look at the back end. Take that 47%, that full payment that you have, and now we're going to add on your car payments, student loans, credit cards, child support, alimony, any of these type of things. That, as a total, can't be more than 57% of your total income. All right, now we need to calculate your income. Everything we're going to talk about is before taxes are taken out when it comes to a job. There's a few tricks and a few tips we're going to talk about with other things for perhaps tax-free income. But assuming you make $5,000 a month as a salary, that's it. There's no calculation necessary. But most people actually don't get paid that way. Most people get paid hourly. Let's say you make $20 an hour.